And game this afternoon has a bit of meaning on it from India and West Indies point of view. They wanted to test themselves a little bit. According to the skipper Shoaib Malik today, they have batted first.
Look to pick up wickets. That's the
thought too, Nikhil, in the pitch report. Great carry through the bounce, and look where it's. Oh, hello! That's gone through for 4 byes. Just in case you didn't already know.
Just 2 deliveries in that over. Wow! Get a delivery like that. Great control.
Swing again. It would have been gone.
Have a look at this. The attempted pick up and throw there by Imad Wasim. Sean Marsh would be. There's more. The
finds the middle and a boundary for Sean Marsh.
He was looking for a delivery. The half volley. Lovely race. Times it. Sean Marsh gain in confidence.
Of it, and could be the exchange on.
That was always going that front foot by no real timing. It's a good comeback. Departs for.
Oh wow! Augusta wicket.
And now to negation. There's a mid-on fielder beautifully timed by Chris Lynn. This is allowed. There's Chris.
When I think, amazing what you can.
He's batting outside the crease and just swinging that ball and just decided. Sohail Tanveer, the first over that he bowled to Sean.
The ball to do a little bit. It's probably done a touch more. Drove up the M1 this morning. Passed through Leicestershire. The covers were still on the ground, but nonetheless, it does still. High, who win and takes it comfortably. Tanveer.
As good by Sohail Tanveer as well, just stuck to his gun down the surface. This time he saw him coming. The ball was always going away. I mean, Chris Lynn departs for 6.
Paying dividends at the nipping across a touch.
Ben Dunk.
Oh, might be an overthrow. No, down there on the boundary. Straight up. Can't get on the ball pretty much the whole way there. It was just flowing down the ground from our comment.
Yeah, the deep square leg guy. Sohail Tanveer, a difficult catch, even in his retirement. Tough. He's really.
Sick edge down to third. Moment. Vigo Tell as our official. See, deep square leg coming in.
Wasn't a little movement. Actually, on the word with Sohail that if you know pitch delivery would be better because he ball is ball, so anything short will give him that.
And about first, Elliott will take it.
Back-to-back boundaries for Ben Dunk. That movement just. Yeah, sometimes the wicket before the ball is bowled. Look to pitch it up.
Yeah, get it up there. Got to be tight on that leg stump. Not, I think, with the field he had prior. Bowl there.
Deliveries, you might as well have a backward.
Wow.
Everybody enjoying themselves using that over. Has been able to for that leg stump Yorker. Some sort of movement available.
Go. All the way. I think it is. Over 4 gone. It's 35 for 2. Darcy Short's just faced the 1 ball inside the power play, so square leg. Just a bit of a change.
Back of the hand in the power play when you've got things in favor. With somebody who's got a pause in their action, you have more control where you're.
For 4.
Easy pickings. Yeah. Just to free his arms. Fragrance partner. Alan allowed me to use. I don't know if you know, Simon. Is by.
Australia, so this partnership just picking things.
Wide on.
Oh yeah, has it made the crowd, the green seats, to Augusta Property.
To get the Yorker in.
Well, from that one, 47 for 2.
That'll be up, but how good it is to... I know we've said hello, Waka. What does... Oh, I've just been listening to Simon Dooley. This is your pitch, you and Dooley.
Shorts, couple of them. Might just be, hold on, reason why Saeed Ajmal was playing.
Guy Yunus with perfect timing. And prayed Ben Dunn. Elevation and not enough distance. Well bowled Saeed Ajmal. 3 down now, the Australians. Ben Dunn. That's a wide, the 50.
Australia champions, they don't believe in. They're not really looking to the gaps. They're looking for sixes rather than...
Ooh, it's worth the umpire's time as well. And the bowler. And that's enough.
Move from Pakistan for them. Line completely hit him in line. Dan Christian gone with...
Against India. He's got 2 batting. Down the leg. 3 wides. 4 wides.
Because it was flat, it was quicker, did the job.
Side, just for 1. The exchange on the world's first. Wickets. It's gone to the 3rd umpire.
Or off his pads. It could be out here, another wicket.
But the replay was in the air. It's gone for 2.
Saeed Ajmal, or they're just praising.
53 for 5, said. Now we're going to see the left arm spin of Imave.
Alan, I had a great time at Glamorgan. Too many first-class grounds.
Oh no, a bit of bat on it.
Heard Kamran Akmal from behind this. I don't think Australia can afford to lose.
For Ben Cut.
Ball was straight. Ball gripped. 60 for 5.
Right. A stump. Ben Cutting is strong. Very.
You know, you intend to. Pakistan should not take.
Paper that tells me that of the. Goes back and just surveys Australia.
Ball which was lot fuller, ball spinning. Saeed Ajmal.
Why he would choose to go back, I'm not sure.
Ajmal picked up 3 wickets in the first right.
Not sure that was a catch. Think it has. No, it has catch out at deep mid wicket.
They are in rush, aren't they? Everyone cross bat, losing wicket. Wonderful catch, doing the job. 66.
And he's got 66 for 7. Partner.
Oh, well ball.
6.
Side, isn't it? They're all fair. They're looking serious. Discussion going on between.
Over now, 4 for 12. He's going to. And well. Say that.
Pakistan were runners up last land this time. 20 for 7.
Imad to continue. As Albert Mile has been destructive.
Good afternoon, Simon.
3, 1, 2, 3 grabs and no.
Possibly it was fast. It was 1, 2. Deep trouble. Ferguson dismissed for 10.
But the 2019 World Cup of the guy in the crowd that was kept regularly Hands on hips. Saeed Ajmal.
Ajmal is back with the same action.
Gone with the catch. That's a 5 for.
From the crease as well. Got the inside half of the back. 73 for 9. Siddle
To look for a 6 for.
at the 20 overs. He's single one of them.
Oh, little he's got 6. On what we thought was a little more of Saeed Ajmal with 64.
It's a good Saeed Ajmal. 3 points. Faster bowlers. Tanveer picked up one. Sohail.
It's just been posted by 6 for 16 and 75. And Shajil Khan. And Shoaib Makhsood. Chris Lynn is good. Enjoy conditions. Be a little bit of to start things out to the deep.
Yeah, when you're looking to just have a open net margin. For West Indies, simple. Win that game, 4 points.
And after the start to the tournament, Upton Steel Stadium the other day, absolute clarification on that. We won't be able to give quite a significant mark.
And his champions, well,
A little bit. Yeah, for an opponent who are desperate to also make this.
even with the West Indies side, not the best of starts. The tournament cracked away. Soothe.
Hearing from Saeed Ajmal, also be making sure that even in the early net sessions, played some cricket. If you turn up here, it's a step up from where it was last year, and I think still playing some form of cricket. There's some that Rahman race chance. No, ends the second over. 5 at the moment, Pakistan champions it.
I am with Mr. Kamal Khan, the owner of...
As you must have seen throughout the tournament, and so today we decided now we score. We say good score cricket, anything up of the tournament. I think it was the final. So we thought, okay, this year we are hopefully finishing job, as you can see.
And tell me about it. Your team gifted
Gold phone to Royal Phones, and my team owner sort of thing. They pretend I'm an owner.
Some runs. Callum Ferguson against India has got some runs. Come the qualification. About the second, and we'll also lost after 3.
Nathan Coulton-Isle played. Our
comes in. Hello, Simon.
yes. A little shocked himself.
Quickly just swivels on that square of the wicket. Lost playing. Time to get as a bowler also, Simon. Think about maybe the qualification game, the semi-final that you want. You're practicing and that's one of those deliveries. Line and looking to take it away from the what's his been strength that he likes.
A little bit too close to the pads. And now Dan Christian. Enough. I've been cutting. Clock.
One big 90-odd wins. We know about.
Shajil Khan pounced on it.
Back of the length, final like in the 30-yard circle.
Who's looked the best?
With the kind of form that A.B. de Villiers well bowled, really did. Some match winners who've been formed that some of their batters are bowling in the two sides, South Africa and Pakistan.
Yeah, the only game is moved away, backward a point for a boundary. 75 of 37 without loss.
the winner of, and then a little offside. That's going to test out there at extra cover. There isn't a be a couple here. Swung a little late. 6 here. 45 for no wicket. Short. Binger, Brett Lee's gone down as they would be rolling their sleeves up short. It's good, isn't it? And off the bat. 50 up.
Available, but a phenomenal shot. There's been trying to find. Yeah, with the amount of grass and some amount of ball, it was also equally about.
Oh, and that's a referee hit here now. There he is, the smiling assassin. Bowls another short ball. It's the first over 2 seasons, and it's certainly
Turn the ball. Yes, there is not a lot of turn.
On a day where Pakistan, John Hastings, so he's falling away. He could be here for a long afternoon. It might finish, no? Thank you, sir. I think there's one thing. He could shorten the run-up and try and bowl off a Pakistan edge.